Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibonani, njengoba nazi ukuthi ngolwesibili fanele kuphuma ama-results ka-matric. Siyazi ukuthi kusafunda thina nabanye ama-results ka-matric bekufike kubhalwe ephepheni bekufike kubhalwe igama nesibongo negama bese kubhalwe exam number la ufike uzibheke khona ubone ukuthi uphasile noma uphasile. Kodwa ke kuhamba isikhathi kuyashintsha lokho. Kwase sekubhalwa i-exam number kuphela igama lesikole exam number kuphela ngeruling eyafika emthethweni wa-enforcewa i-Information Regulator ngo-2020 ngaphansi kwelokhu kunekuthiwa i-POPI Act. Emele ukuthi Protection of Personal Information. Lena ke i-act efike na-Information Regulator evikela i-personal information yomuntu. Ngakho ke i-Information Regulator ithathe i-Department of Basic Education yabase court ngoba befuna ukuthi ama-results ka-matric angabe sakhishwe ephepheni. Kodwa akwenziwe indlela yokuthi abe digitize okungukuthi uzongena efonini yakho bakunike leyo site leyo ungena efonini yakho ufake mhlawumbe leyo exam number yakho uma uklikha lapho bese yavela ka ama-results avelele wona wodwa. Kodwa ke i-court ithathile ke isinqumo ngalokho. Ilokho ke sikuhlanganyelela kodwa ngiyacela ngaphambi ngiqhubeke sifike ukuthi sitheni isinqumo senkantolo nanokuthi siza ukuthi uminister we-Department of Basic Education uSiviwe Gwarube uthini yena. Ngicela ungenzele le favor, subscribe kule channel, ulike le video, uyishare nabanye, ushiye umbono wakho ku-comment section. Ngicela ukucaphunela nangu obese court omele i-Department of Basic Education. Ngizophinde ngicaphune nomunye we-AfriForum nayo obese court ukuze uzoza ukuthi isinqumo sitheni. Ngizogcina mina ekuchazeni ukuthi isinqumo sitheni. Ngifisa uzwe la abaqala bese sikhuluma ngesinqumo esithathwe inkantolo.
Well, it's one of the provisions in the Act that there has to be consent for processing any information that belongs to persons. So remember, we have a court judgment which said you don't need to do that, just go ahead and publish as long as you use exam number. So we didn't even need to do that, but we've done it anyway. The reason we're doing it is because we want to comply with the Protection of Personal Information Act, just like any other organization in this country. So our attempt at compliance should not be used against us. It's not an admission of anything. It's actually a positive step because it's not just the Department of Basic Education, by the way. All of us, as long as you handle information that belongs to people, you need to comply with the Act.
Njengoba umuzi ubhutile ochaza ukuthi kwi-act kune provision ethi kufanele abantwana laba abenza matric mabe register kube khona i-consent form abazoyisayina bevuma ukuthi cha mina ngiyavuma ukuthi ama-results wami awapublishwe awafakwe kwi-newspaper. Uthi ke kodwa abakwenzanga lokho ngezathu sokuthi kunomthetho i-court ruling eyaphuma yathi yango-2022 yathi no bangaqhubeka as long as bafaka igama lesikole ne-exam number kuphela bangawafaka amagama lokho kulungile. I-Information Regulator ibasenkantolo ngoba ithi cha nina anzange nibasayinisa abantwana i-consent form nabo bayavuma. Asike siza ukuthi we-AfriForum yena uthini bese siya kwisinqumo senkantolo.
We are attempting to comply with the Act. It's a new Act. It came into effect in July, the 1st of July 2020. We are all trying to understand the implications of complying with that Act. So we are here because we are committed to complying and that we are committed also to engaging further with the custodian of that Act, who is the Information Regulator.
Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu angamfaki lo ozokhulumela AfriForum. Kusakhuluma yena lo Department of Basic Education. Ngibona ukuthi angingayishiyi lento ngoba uyasho ukuthi bazimisele bona ukucomply kodwa nje into esabashayo ukuthi lena i-act entsha ibe semthethweni nge-1 zika July 2020. Leso sizathu ezinye izinto sadinga ukuthi ba-consult bafuna asekhona amaphutha ngenxa okungayiqondi kahle nokungayi-understandi kahle i-act le hayi ngoba bengawuhloniphi umthetho nangu ke lo AfriForum.
It's also one for the matriculants who were anxious that they were not going to see their matriculation numbers in the papers. So we are very relieved. We see that as a victory for public interests, and we are glad that they will have the same opportunity that matriculants had in previous years. Obviously, we're also very relieved about the cost order. And we hope that the appeals case will be heard very soon in future so that the matriculants of 2025 won't have the same anxious situation that the matriculants of 2024 had. Basically,
akushoyo-ke ukuthi iwini kubo njenge-AfriForum, iwin futhi for i-Department of Basic Education, iwin futhi nakuma-matriculants abese elindela ama-matric wabo. Wazi kubuhlungu kanjani ukuthi kulindwe ama-results wakho bese kuvela umthetho nasekunomthetho omusha. Manje-ke i-court ithatha isinqumo sokuthi cha, i-Department of Basic Education ayiqhubeke nokwapublisha ama-results ka-matric ephepheni. NgoLwesibili-ke sizowathola ama-results ka-matric ephepheni, mhlambe sekwenziwa ngenye indlela kuma-matric ka-2025. Kodwa-ke manje asithole uminister okuyena ophethe i-Department of Basic Education, uSiviwe Gwarube, uyena ozobe sechaza kabanzi. Kodwa nje i-ruling yecourt ithe ngenxa ukuthi bese sekulate i-information regulator ibase late la benkantolo, futhi nama-student abaxhumananga nawo ukuze ukuthi wona athini ngoba awasanikezanga i-consent form. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuma-matric ngo-2025 bazoyisayina i-consent form lapho bazokhetha bona ukuthi bayafuna results publishwe noma abafuni. Kodwa-ke okwamanje sizolalela nangu uMinister we-Basic Education uSiviwe Gwarube.
A separate matter, but I want to assure South Africans that number one, we will be issuing the results in the national newspapers on Tuesday at 6 a.m., but also to assure our learners and our parents and communities alike that no names or ID numbers will be published, and that the practice that has been followed thus far of issuing a unique exam number is what will be followed even in this year.
Usesiphile-ke assurance uminister ukuthi bazowa-issue ama-results emaphepheni ngoLwesibili, kodwa akuzukuba na-ID number, akuzukuba nagama. Into ezopublishwa nje i-unique exam number. Ilokho nje assure ngakho. Kodwa bona bathi bazimisela ucomplya
Place where they are protecting personal information, even in their way of working, even in their processes. And so what we've said to them and what I've committed personally to them is to say, we have to be able to publish this year because of the tight timeline that we are facing. However, we will make sure that for 2025, we will be able to allow learners to be able to choose whether or not they allow us to publicize the unique exam numbers in the press. The reason why this is important, some people have asked both, why is this even still important? It is such an outdated tradition of having exam numbers published in a newspaper. The reason being that if you look at the court ruling that we are relying on as DBE from a couple of years ago, the court ruling also supports this notion that there isn't only one way for all learners to access the information in real time. Some learners are able to go to the school to access the information. Some learners are able to get it from a newspaper. Some learners have already moved by the time the results are released. So we've got to be able to cater for all these different learners. And that's why we're saying we have processes in place that we will follow for 2025 to meet what the information regulator is saying. However, we are pleased that the courts did not deem the court case urgent enough to interdict us from proceeding with publishing next week.
Sechazile kuminister ukuthi ngempela kufanele bazame njengogovernment ukuthi bayiprotecte i-personal information as i-POPI Act issued the protection of personal information, futhi information regulators bayavumelana nekushoyo. Into wena ababambelele kuyo i-ruling ye-court eyathi uma kungabhalwanga amagama kubhala i-exam number kuphela. However, ku-2025 abantwana noma ama-matriculants azobe ebhala ku-2025 bazosayina i-consent form lapho umuntu ezovuma yena ukuthi cha mina ngiyavuma ukuthi ama-results wami ningawapublisha niwafake ephepheni, nabanye bazosho ukuthi cha mina wami ningawapublish ephepheni. Uthi-ke abantu abathola ama-results ka-matric basuke beseyindaweni ezehlukene, abanye bazoya ey'koleni, abanye bazobe besebehambile bengekho naseduze nalapho. Ngakho-ke iphepha lalisiza ngoba bokwazi ukubona noma ukuphi kodwa kufuneka bayicabange bakwazi ukukhava wonke umuntu. Ilokho ke bengithi angikulethele kona okwanamhlanje ngoba ngilena ngiyibona indaba ebalekile ethinta izingane zethu nama results wabo ka matric esiwalindile kolwesibili. Ngicela ushiye ukubona kwakho ke la kwi comment section below. Ulike le video, subscribe, ushare nabanye. Kodwa nje ngiyawufisa umbono wakho asixoxa nje ngalento eyenzekayo. Wena ucabangani ngalesimo esenzekayo? I-information regulator mayithatha i-Department of Basic Education yisecourt.